my name is Lucy and I'm doing a quick about your haul, so let's get started. Let's right away start with the item that I'm most excited about. It's this mango mesh see-through dress. Oh no, it's Pull&Bear mesh see-through dress. I really like dresses like these and they seem to be like lots of fun, especially for the summer. Ooh, I already like it. Ooh, it seems nice quality. It's gray. I thought it's going to be black. Here's the dress. I would wear it with some black underwear underneath or like some black bikini if I'm wearing it during summer to some party. I'll see if I have anything now to try it with. If I don't, I will definitely need to get something. Got it in size small. I have to say that it's great quality. Let's try it on. So nice. It has nice weight to it. This I absolutely love. It clicks with me right away. I really love it. This is not the choice of underwear that I'd wear with it. I'd wear it with something else. Maybe if it's like an evening beach club party, I'd wear a black bikini underneath, or maybe for some summer club I'd get like a longer skirt or pants for underneath. I would definitely play with this. I really love this piece. It just looks really cool and I'm absolutely in love with it. Yeah, there's nothing much to say. I'm very excited about this piece and it's staying in my wardrobe, and I definitely will be playing with it and seeing how I can style it. I think it's very versatile. I was very interested in this top. It's a bit of a darker color in real life than it was on the ad. Yeah, I was really hoping, also on camera it seems to be a bit lighter than it is in person. Yeah, I was hoping for a little bit of a lighter green. It's brand WEEKDAY. Their things are very good quality, but this wasn't what I was expecting. I'll put a photo of the ad next to this top so that you can see it in comparison. Material is 100% polyester. Its original price was 33 euros. It's definitely not worth 33 euros. I mean, it's nice quality and everything. I don't know. I don't think it's worth 33 euros and I paid 9 euros for it on sale. I don't know about this stuff. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, I was very interested in this dress. I see that it's size extra small, so probably it was the last one available. Right away, it's very soft. It's brand VERO MODA and its original price was 40 euros. It's nice. Oh, it's cute. It's very beautiful. It's great quality. I have to say that it's extremely soft. I really like this dress. It's super nice. Unfortunately, this dress I don't like. It just doesn't have any shape. I feel like there's just lots of extra fabric here. It would be so much nicer if it was like a little bit more tailored in. So this dress is unfortunately not for me, but nonetheless I really like the idea of it, that it's so comfortable and it is a very beautiful pattern. Yeah, just too much fabric here, unfortunately. So yeah, for now this dress and the green top are going back. And the final thing, we have this pink t-shirt. I don't think I like the color on it. Let's see how it is. It's also size extra small. I think it was also the last one available, but I really like the color. Actually, it's nice. I like it. It's brand LTB. I really like the color. It says that it has like a worn out look to it. It's like a little bit of a muted pink. It's not too bright. I have to say that this top is very comfortable and I now saw that I got it only for 6 euros. I'll definitely get a wear out of it. It's very comfortable and soft.